Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ayman and in today's video I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to create or clone this Shopify store. I will show you step by step how to design all the same sections of this website. This website design is also all device responsive, so without any more talking, let's just jump to start. As you can see, I am currently in the Shopify admin dashboard. Our first task will be to install the Shopify pre-done theme and publish it. So to do this, click on the online store from the left side, then scroll down a bit, then add this done theme, then wait for a couple of seconds, then publish it. After publishing the theme, click on customize. First we need to add the color scheme for the whole store. So to do this, click on setting icon from the left side, then click on colors, then click on scheme on. Background color will be black and text color will be white. Then solid button background color will be white, then solid button label will be black, and outline button color will be white and shadow will be black. Then click on this save button. Click on this setting icon from the left side, then click on logo, then add your logo and fav icon here. After add your logo and fav icon, then click on this save button. Click on this add section from the left side, then add this slideshow section. Then click on slideshow and slideshow height will be adapt to first image and pagination style will be dot, and enable this auto rotate and change it every 3 seconds. Then go back and click on this first image slide and select your first image banner here. Then delete this heading text, also delete this subheading text and change this button label text. Then link up with your any specific collection, and desktop content position will be bottom center. Then of this show container on desktop, then click on save button, then click on 3-dot menu and duplicate this and go back and delete this second image slide and click this duplicate slideshow and change this banner, then click on this save button. Click on this add section from the left side, then click on this collection list, then click on collection list and change the heading text. Click on this image ratio and select this adapt to image, then number of column will be 4, then scroll down and mobile layout will be 2 and scroll down, then click on custom CSS and paste this shortcode here and go back, then add more on collection and click on first collection and select the first collection here, then go back, then click on second collection and select the second collection here, then go back, click the third collection here and select the third collection here. After add the 4 collection here, then click the save button. Before add the about us section, we need to change the store font. So to do this, click on the setting icon from the left side, then click on this typography, then click on this heading font and type here Poppins, then select this font, then scroll down, then also click this body font and search here enter and select this enter font and select this font, then go back, then click on this add section, then click on this image with text, then click on this image with text, then select your about us banner here, then scroll down, then desktop content position will be middle, then scroll down, mobile layout will be center, then go back, then click on this image with text and change the heading text here and bold this text, then go back and click this pair text and delete this text here and input your about us text here, then go back and click the button and change the button label text, then link up with your collection page, then click on this save button. For add the auto scrolling marquee text, first click the exit, click on this 3-dot icon, then click the edit code, then close this all section, then open this section, then click this add a new section, then type here marquee, then click this done, then delete this default code and paste this code here, then click this save button, then again go back, then again click this customize, then scroll down, click this add section, then search here marquee, then add this marquee section, then click this text here and change your announcement bar text here, then select your icon here, then go back, again click the second text and again type your second announcement bar text here. After add your text, then go back, then click this mark your text, then mark your height will be 52. As per your requirement you can change it. Then font size will be 24. Then click on this save button.
By the way, if you are interested in this website that I am showing, this is one of my Shopify theme templates. If you are not too familiar with Shopify store design, then our template will be best for you. Because designing a Shopify store from scratch takes a lot of time. But without spending a ton of time, our template will help to give your business that professional and attractive look. After your order, you will receive the download link in your confirmation email. You will get the template as a zip file. You have to just download and upload it to your store. A step-by-step installation guide video is included on how to install and customize the template on your store. I have linked this template in the video description box below where you can check more details and buy it.
Click on this add section, then click on this features collection, then click on this feature collection, then type your heading text here, then scroll down, select your collection here and add your collection here. Maximum product show will be 8 and number of column on desktop will be 4. Then scroll down, then enable this show second image on hover, then scroll down, quick add will be standard, then click this save button. Click on this 3-dot menu, then click the duplicate, then go back, then click the duplicated feature collection, then replace the heading text, then scroll down, then first remove the collection and select the new collection, then click on this save button. Click on this add section, then click on this image banner, then click on this image banner, then add your image banner here, then scroll down, banner height will be added to first image, then go back, then click on this image banner, then type your heading text here, then go back, then click on this subheading text, then change your subheading text here, then go back and click on this button, then type your button text here, then link up with your collection, then delete the second button label, then click the save button. Click on this 3-dot, then click on this edit code. First close this folder and section, then open this section, then add a new section, then type here trust base, then click on this done button, then delete this default code, then paste here this code, then click on this save button, then go back, then scroll down and click on this customize, then scroll down, then click on this add section, then search here trust base, then add this trust base section, then click on this add trust base and same way again click this 4 times, then click on this free shipping first one, then add your shipping icon image banner here, then go back, then click on this second free shipping text and replace the text, then add the image icon here, then go back, then click on this trust base, then scroll down, click on this heading color and change it white, then paragraph color will be white, then section background will be black, then click on this save button. Click on this add section, then select this multi-column, then click this multi-column, then change this heading text. Heading size will be small, then scroll down, number of column will be 4, column alignment will be center, then scroll down, secondary background will be none, then delete the button label text, then scroll down, enable this sweep on mobile, then go back, then click on this first column, then upload your image banner here, then change this heading text, then change this description and input your review text here, then go back and delete this second column and third column and click this first column, then click this 3-dot icon, then duplicate this, then go back, then click this duplicated column, then change this image banner here and replace the text and heading text here, then again click this 3-dot icon and duplicate this, then again go back and open this duplicated column and same way replace this image heading text and the description, then again click this 3-dot icon and duplicate this and same way change everything here. After complete this, then click this save button. Click this add section, then scroll down and click this email sign up for add this, then click this subscribe to our email, then change the heading text here, then heading size will be small, then go back, then click the subheading text, delete this text and type your one description text here. After complete this, then click the save button. Click this arrow icon, then scroll down, then click this add block, then click this brand information, then when you hover your mouse here, then you can see the plus icon, click here, then click this menu, then again click this plus icon and again click this menu, then again click this plus icon, then click this text, then click this brand information, then click this edit brand information, then scroll down, then type your description here, then upload your logo here and adjust your logo with here, then go back and scroll down and click select these quick links, then type your heading text here, replace your menu here and select the main menu, then go back and click this second quick link and type your heading text here, then go back, then click this heading, then type your heading text here, then delete this description text and type your information here. After complete this, then click this save button, then go back, then click this setting icon, then scroll down, then click this social media and input your social media link here. After add your social media link here, then click this save button. Our store design is complete. So now we will preview our store. So to do this, click on this three dot icon, then click this view button. Now see, our store design is so beautiful now. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If the video is useful to you, please like my video and share your opinion in the video comment below. As well as don't forget to subscribe my channel.